How to use IF-PC disability insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. IF-PC disability insurance in Finland is designed to replace your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Yet, many policyholders make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. The surprising truth is that not all medical conditions automatically qualify for benefits. A common mistake is misunderstanding the policy's definition of disability. IF-PC offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation. Choosing the wrong type can leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current job. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the period before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Align your waiting period with your savings and monthly expenses to avoid unnecessary stress. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Your coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but leave you vulnerable if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. IF-PC offers add-ons like partial disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. IF-PC requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, IF-PC disability insurance Finland can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.